Hello and welcome to Willow Junction. Happy Friday morning. I'm going to run in some more trains on my layout. And with that, let's get started. Well, folks, that'll do it for this episode of Willow Junction. If you liked my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, please share my videos. That'd be greatly appreciated. But until next time, I thank you so much for watching. You guys all have a great day. Bye for now.